Today we are making mojitos at home 4 different ways with one base recipe. All of your mojitos are going to start with 2 ounces of white rum, except for the coconut mojito. 2 ounces of coconut rum in the jar. Now we're gonna add in simple syrup. I personally like my mojitos a little less on the sweet side, so I'm just gonna go with about a 1/2 ounce per drink. With the coconut mojito, instead of simple syrup, we're going to bring in cream of coconut, a 1/2 ounce going in. Now to each glass, we're going to add the juice of a lime. The next ingredient, fresh mint. You 1000% cannot make mojitos without the fresh mint. I'm just gonna tear off the leaves, about 1/3 cup of mint leaves going in each jar. Now we're gonna add some fun flavors to these mojitos. For this one right here, we're gonna let it be, it's just gonna be a good old standard lime mojito. We already know this one is coconut. This one, we're going to turn into a raspberry mojito, and to do that, all you need is a little bit of raspberry liqueur. A 1/2 ounce of raspberry liqueur going in. This one right here, we're gonna turn it into a pineapple mojito, and to do that, you just need 1/3 cup of pineapple juice. Our ice got a little bit watered down from the liquid, so I'm just gonna top it off a little bit more. You're gonna need the ice in here because not only is it gonna keep your mojito perfectly cool and chill, but it's going to help us to bruise up that mint, which is the whole reason that we need no muddlers. Grab your mason jar lid and seal them shut. And now you're gonna give each and every one a really good shake, a vigorous shake for at least 30 seconds. Please look at what that ice did to this mint. It completely demolished it, which means that those oils within those mint leaves are broken up and that flavor is dispersed all throughout the mojito. Now we're going to remove the lids, throw them on the counter. I would also like to mention at this time that it smells amazing. You're gonna grab some club soda, some bubbles, and you're just gonna fill it to the top. At this point, you don't wanna shake them up because you've got club soda in there and your bubbles will go crazy. But you do wanna just get in there and give them a little stir. But which one to go for? I think it's gonna be raspberry for me. This is a recipe you need to have on hand all summer long. If you're looking for more amazing cocktail recipes to try, be sure to check out my cocktails playlist next.